The other councils are coming on 11th. You also tentative.
Yes.
We have some problem. My non-friend is not there from 11th. But
He told, and I asked him to go and.
He did not know, Millet. He did not know.
No, he told that 11 you are not available. I asked him to go and talk with the other side.
We are extremely sorry, Millet.
Then what exactly you
I
want?
was saying that 21st, 24th, 25th.
But the other side has to be there, otherwise.
They were supposed to mention now. In fact, they had circulated a notice that they will mention. So, Lord, I'm traveling. Otherwise, I would
Lord,
have been there.
I'm sorry, my lord. I can only say with extreme apology that this is the predicament of a junior lawyer. I was just told 2 minutes back that all the three seniors are there in court to make a mention. I'm extremely sorry, my lord. I can't apologize enough of my indisposal, my lord. I was just informed 2 minutes back that all three seniors are in court to make a mention.
Oh, Mr.
I know, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. I don't think, my lord, it would be appropriate for me to switch on the video. I'm extremely sorry, my lord. That's exactly why I'm apologizing. My lord, I cannot stress enough.
What do you exactly want? Because see, they have a personal difficulty.
My lord, it was originally. I'll only say this. It was originally fixed by your lordship on 28th. They made a mention. We agreed
everything I know, but.
May I only pray, my lord,
they have an entry model in their favor. What can go wrong? They are enjoying it.
That's for not my learned senior. That is our case. Let us put my case
across. Okay, let us do like this.
My case across. My learned senior has a right. I mean, let him put across.
1 minute.
Put our case across.
Mr. Manti.
My lord, let him be 8th April, my lord. Let my learned seniors who are all there, let them agree for 8th.
8th April.
Yes.
My lord, may it be final, my lord, because I am being misunderstood by my clients. Every other day there is a mentioning.
No further. Okay.
Grateful, my lord. I'm deeply grateful and I apologize again, my lord. I apologize.
Yes, 8th April.
My lord, there is one matter where Mr. Sarthak is there. Some Sarthak Naik for CBI. That was fixed to today. And the trial court had said that we will grant you adjournment. It's fixed to which 18th. Either your lordship can take it up tomorrow, subject to convenience of my learned friend.
So it can be taken up today, your lordships.
Today not.
Today, my lords are only
Because
taking
treatment. Your lordship, last 5 dates, your lordship, they have taken time. I strongly
I'm not asking for time.
Argument, your lordships. Now also it can be taken up. I'm ready to argue.
No, today not possible.
But it can't continue forever, your lordships, because last date of hearing, your lordships had categorically said that no further adjournments will be given.
No, I am not asking for time. Today there is some difficulty in court.
Let us do one thing. Don't let us not waste time, because I have very limited time. I have to.
Tomorrow, your lordships. Tomorrow.
Mentioning, I don't want to waste time.
Your lordships, tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow. Very well.
And your lordships, one more thing, your lordships. Your lordships, normally it is coming at the end of the board. Your lordship may kindly put it, your lordships, the beginning.
84.
Let it be 3:30.
Yes.
3 o'clock, huh? Let it be 3 o'clock.
Yes, your lordships.
3 o'clock. Grateful.
Item 90, we have already settled the amount. My learned brother is applying for the respondent.
Give it.
Item number. So far, item 53 is concerned.
Check the forward. Give it. 93.
Item 53 here has also appeared. I need Chitri sir, I need to take out notice against the owner. And I have also filed a petition for stay. Notice that
53.
Stay of disbursement of the hour amount.
Disbursement stay for the.
And
respondent number 1 minute. The amount has already been deposited by the petitioner before the commissioner. Before the commissioner. Hence the application is allowed and disbursement for the award amount is paid. Then what do you want?
I need to only take up notice against respondent number 2.
Issue notice to opposite party number 2.
May it please your lordship.
What is it?
Item number 66.
66, yes.
POCSO matter, your lordship's judgment and the judgment of the ethics court.
I gave yesterday I gave a judgment. Just no, wait. Don't file it. Yesterday I passed a judgment. Yesterday or day before. Please read that judgment.
Yes.
And I know I asked you to act as an amicus curiae to help it out. Before you helped me, I helped myself and
your lordship helped us.
I didn't just check it up. You can edit, then I can amend and improvise that.
No, my lord. In fact of my case, your lordship had heard and your lordship said you file a note. I am filing the note. Your lordship may reserve for order. Your disposal.
No, please see the judgment. You can add something here. That's what I'm saying.
See the judgment.
No, do it Monday.
Your lordship may post this matter to Monday so that I can assist your lordship. Item 66. any day.
Or two, what is number? I will give a date, huh?
Interim order to continue.
Interim order. My lord, I
Your
am
Lordship,
5 years, okay?
32, my lords.
Yes. Item 60, my lord. But urgent matter, my lord, I pray, my lord, may taken over today as last chance because last case, so that I'll. What is this matter? My lord, section challenging, my lord, requestion of a recall petition, my lord. The Posco case is there, my lord. Posco offense is there. The trial court not granting time from that will give the judgment unless Hon'Ble High Court interfere, my lord. So I tried, my lord, that matter was posted to 28, my lord. So court did not function. Then it comes today, my lord. Today, my lord, I pray, my lord, I'll take chance if lord is. Let's see. I'll try. I'm a point. Notice is not sufficient. What to do? No, notice, I tell notice, Mona Kola. Then a notice has to be served through the IO now. Without notice, I can't. Therefore, 60 notice be served through the IO of the case. IO dekhi diye court for the short date would be. What a short date judgment do. Yes.
My lords, item 83, your lordship.
83.
83, your lordship. Okay. My lords, any day next week, your lordship, my Leonard Senior will appear from Supreme Court, your lordship. Mr.
83,
Gopal.
your lordships.
83.
I'll take what is the urgency procedure?
My Leonard friend.
No urgency. What is the urgency? After 2 weeks, let us see.
After my lords.
Your lordship,
Fixed, your
Your
lordship.
your lordship,
Lordship,
after 4 weeks, because in the meantime, I'll file my counter also.
You file the counter, Mr. Naik, counsel for the CBI seeks an adjournment for filing the counter affidavit. Leave the matter after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you try, we'll see.
And date may be fixed, your lordship.
Huh? Date will be fixed. Don't worry. Yes.
Lordships, lordships,
Like senior advocate, Mr. Ashok Tambi is mentioning in
Yes,
document.
Mr. Panigra, you are saying something.
my lords, item 32, my lords. My lords, can I request for the matter to be taken on 10th, my lords? I'll appear physically, my lords. If it's a fresh matter, my lords, on today's list, my lord. 32. Fresh matter.
How much time will you take? Because generally you take a lot of time. That's the problem.
My lords, 5 minutes, my lords. It's a
5
fresh
minutes, okay.
That's
Coming
right.
physically.
57.
matter.
He's coming physically, therefore he is requesting.
Yes,
But have you served the copy? Not that the matter will be taken up for the.
we'll share.
Make
the
sure that, can it be 11?
My lords, can I request 10th if it's not inconvenient to my lords? We'll share the.
Okay.
Lordship, item 57. Earlier interim order is there.
Wait, from the list, we will see. First, out of list, anybody mention anything? Out of list, yes.
I have to mention your lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship, criminal appeal of 2009. I have mentioned it before your lordship to fix it on 5th, but it was not fixed for 5th. It was not listed. Neither it was listed today. So can it be?
Have I asked the matter to be listed on 5th?
Yes, your lordship, on 5th.
Why it is not listed there?
And I have submitted the memo. Lordship.
It is. And if the specific direction was there, it should have been listed. Was there any specific direction to be listed on 5th?
So lordship.
Court order, there was an order. Yes, it was just. We take it up and put it in Monday. 10th. Huh? Yes.
Oblige your lordship.
10th at 3. This is okay or what? Get ready with the written submission and all. And save the copy from the other side. We'll hear it 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Yes. Yes. Out of list any mentioning? No. Yes. Yes. Now
59.
1 minute. Page by will call. Okay. Leave that. Call page wise so that it will be easier. Whichever is that there. Yes.
Item 1 to 9,
Yes.
10 to 19,
Item 18, compromise matter, my lord, parties are present. What is the offense?
506 3 ACST.
Parties are there.
Parties are there.
Oh, wait. Yes.
20 to 33,
Yes.
34 to 45, 46 to 55, 56 to 61.
Let's be item 57. Earlier
My lord,
interim order
59.
is listed on 18 to 2025.
What do you want?
But on that day, opposite party taken time. My interim order has been vacated, lordship.
57. 57 on request adjourned. Interim order with hearing shall continue.
Lordship, next to
My lord, 59.
Yes.
59.
Yes.
Notice was sent to opposite party,
No,
but
notice is sufficient. Let us see who is entering appearance. Yes.
he is not appearing. And today is the posted in the lower court. The court is considered to issue NBW as because I have not received any interim order.
It's all right. NBW is issued, then I'll cancel it. Don't worry. Yes. Next.
Item 58, my lord.
Yes.
Item 58. Next week,
Yes,
next
Sergeant.
week taken up.
You have to take fresh steps to serve the opposite party.
Inadvertently, I will take first step next week.
You do it. Necessary steps to be taken to serve for the opposite party by the petitioner. Please the matter of 2 weeks.
Pardon. Item 31.
No, let me lease, continue the lease, then after I'll just.
Sorry.
1 minute.
64, my lords.
60?
64, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, keep it to some other day, a week after, my lords. My lords, may fix a date, my lords.
Yes.
Much obliged.
69 to 77. 78 to 83. 84 to 91.
89.
Yes.
Fresh FAO, the urgent stay is required, so it does not reach today. Can it be taken up tomorrow?
What is this?
This is a rejection of my 3912 application. I challenged the section 9 application in appeal. In appeal, I filed a 3912 for stay of that commercial court's order. The commercial court has intervened in a copyright dispute infringement.
Then it means little hearing. Huh?
Yes, so that is why I'm saying that tomorrow. Because urgent stay is required.
Tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow. Yes. Yes. Yes.
31, my lord, I have prayed for passing of the matter.
Which one?
My lord,
Item 31.
31.
Okay.
That is a settlement between the parties.
Sorry?
There is a settlement between the parties. I request the lordship to fix a date. Both the parties will appear and 11.
Yes, date will be fixed. No problem.
11 for my lord.
Fix the date. Huh?
Other side is also entering their
What? What are the offenses?
Offense on 366 and 376.
All right. If you notice opposite party,
My lord.
written rules also brings the matter for
11 for my lord. Obliged.
yes.
Item 6.
May here may not go ahead for quashment of proceeding, but in fact, all the offences are tribunal running judicial magistrate faster and prescribed punishment for the same within 7 years. Within 7 years, therefore, 41 may extend in favor of the accused. At this juncture, may I pray one thing?
Yeah, investigation is going on.
Yes, at this juncture, may I pray one thing? My lord directed to me surrender first hour, second hour, parable. All of them arrested. That's a passing.
See, these are see, at the very threshold, the matter is
Yes,
there.
yes.
Why are you inviting this problem?
Yes.
They may not arrest you. 41 notice they will give you. By moving this application, you are forcing them to arrest. This is the
438, this honorable court not inclined. That's why I am want.
where is that 438 order?
Yes,
First of all, you should not have come in 438.
Miller.
Now you 438 rejected, therefore they will arrest you. Otherwise, 41 notice they would have given. you. What kind of offense? Nothing.
Surrender.
Why is it necessary that every stage you should come to the court? 438 was not necessary. You filed, invited a wrong order.
Within 7 years.
And now you filed quashing. Investigation is unnecessary. You should try to understand.
Villagers, Miller, gotiye gaah loko.
After this anticipatory bail is rejected, how can I?
Rejected no factor. All see factor second order order hai ki 8 not.
And then you have to go to that court only. And 438 other co-accused persons have got this order. 482 you are filing for quashing.
No problem. Ethical dismissal not first. Institution number 1. They not press for this. Surrender move for you.
It's very easy for you, but I have to write down order. It's very easy for you.
Yes, no,
but how will I sabotage this order?
No, Miller, for a moment, move of 438 part to this. So 7 years to implement also, say later, magistrate I would.
You have invited this order, I can't help you.
Villagers, Miller.
Please it next week we'll see. Yes. Meanwhile, just check it up. I issue notice, let him check it.
7 years increment or magistrate.
Yes. I'll simply adjourn issue notice, issue notice. Don't show accept notice for the state. Yes, next.
Okay. Yes, sir. Least
We'll see, I'll just see, because today I don't have time. Yes.
May I plead lordship? I am the opposite party in this case, my lord.
None appeals for the petitioner in the interest of justice advocate. Yes. So and so appeals for it. Yes.
8,
The blue village.
Yes. Adjourn. Yes.
9,
Yes, I have read ready.
Personal appeal. Yes, affidavit is given.
Yes, yes.
Whatever you say.
Unconditional approach. They will not repeat such type of mistake.
Right. Pursuant to the order dated 18/2/2025, the what is his name? IICF which case? Mr. Asutosh Mishra, DSP CID CB Cuttack has appeared in person on Colorado video. The matter was on, and the matter was adjourned for today today on the request of the State Council for filing an affidavit on behalf of the on behalf of DSP CID CB. Today, an affidavit has been filed inter alia stating agenda para 4 regarding head to the unconditional apology tendered by the deponent of the affidavit. His personal appearance is dispensed with, and will I say anything? It will reflect in his service. It will reflect. Just I'll accept it and leave it.
Yes.
I'll not record anything. But be careful in the future, okay? While using any affidavit or anything you are giving regarding referring to a court, use respectful language, because you are a police officer. You are supposed to be careful about it. This kind of language which you have used against a court is derogatory. So be careful in future, okay? I am not writing anything because it may reflect in your service career. Just I have accept the affidavit and put it to rest. Okay, be careful about it. Okay. The main matter least it for hearing. Yes.
Dispense with an personal appearance.
Huh?
Personal appearance.
Yes, he need not come. Okay.
Item 11,
Your mother, charge sheet has been submitted on higher offense 307. That is, he was on anticipatory bail. Anticipatory bail.
Then that Sushila Agarwal?
Sushila Agarwal, yes.
Sushila Agarwal wala sort of it. The petitioner was petitioner is an accused in FIR number so and so for Reliance Commission of Offence. So FIR is offence in one. After investigation, charge sheet has been filed in the present case on 31/12/2020, aiding a higher offence, namely offence under section 307 IPC. The petitioner has already been admitted to petitioner has already been admitted to anticipatory bail. He apprehends that in view of the addition of the graver offence, he may be arrested.
Yes.
Hence, he seeks independence of this court. You have appeared? No, you have not appeared.
Not appeared.
On instruction, instruction from the client, there comes for the petition submit that the client would be appearing before the court on or before 30th of March and resort to the remedy when you will take under law. It is open for the petitioner to move application for grant of regular bail. If such bail application is moved, the same shall be considered in the light of the judgment in Suchila Agarwal versus so. Yes. Yes.
Obvious. 15.
My lord, here, last occasion, my lord, directed to file the complaint petition. I have filed it. My lord, despite my lord, the best endeavor that both the parties, they used to stay at Alipur, Calcutta. So employed there. Money transaction, whatever it may be.
What are you seeking? What are you seeking?
Only to allow us to defend our case. The accused has not been allowed to defend their case because 2 days in between, he is also adjourning matter. Very hurriedly, why he is so much interested, I don't know. The Munshi, hurriedly within two days. We also,
hey,
sir.
Please, how are you aggrieved? What is your specific grievance? You tell me.
Specific grievance allow us to defend our case.
You show me who has stopped you.
Because he didn't allow us to.
Sir, not like that, sir. You should tell me any order.
Yes, I have filed an affidavit. How the matter stand adjourned in different occasions. That affidavit I have filed.
No, are you agreed by any order passed against you?
Yes.
Which order?
Sir, he has kept the matter reserved for passing the order. That has been reserved in a seal cover. Only my request, when the matter is sub judice here in this Hon'Ble High Court with a direction, direct us because I am staying at Alipur. So I to defend my case. Reasonable opportunity should have been given to defend my case.
That's what I'm asking. That's what I'm asking.
He has not granted us time. That is despite my lordship's order also, he has not granted us time.
Show me some proceedings, something.
Sir.
The other day also you argued the same matter.
No, same matter, but my lord also directed to file that copy of the complaint petition. We have filed the copy of the complaint.
Where from you gathered you inferred that the trial court is preventing you to defend your case. Where from? From which, any proceeding, anything, you show me.
Sir.
So that I can give it a direction.
Yes.
Shall I put it next week? Because I have a very limited time. You prepare it and...
Sir.
Next week.
Can it be taken up Tuesday?
Next week.
Next week Tuesday.
Yes. And whatever you file, please file it.
Already filed.
When you are searching something in your file.
Only that affidavit filed, and also my lord, for my lordship's complaint also filed. Everything is filed. Only now my lord to decide.
Yes, no problem.
My lord, the petitioner is accused in a 138 case, my lord, where my lord the complainant filed a petition under 143A of the said act, my lord, for interim compensation. That was allowed and directed the petitioner to pay.
What is the check amount?
Check amount above 1 crore, my lord. Now, my lord, recently the same, my lord, principal, my lord, the Honorable Supreme Court.
Supreme Court says it's not mandatory, it is directly. Forget about that.
My lord, that is the, my lord. Here, my lord, and you lordship, my lord.
But Supreme Court doesn't say that you don't pass the order at all.
No, my lord.
Does it say? Then it is obviously a discretionary power given to the court, so it is the Supreme Court only say it is not a mandatory provision, it is directory provision. Attending circumstances, you see the pass the order.
Because
you tell me how it is wrong.
Because trial stage, my lord, if my lord, the petitioner will pay, my lord, the amount, then
no, that's not argument.
That is also reflected in that case, my lord, in the Honorable Supreme Court.
So therefore, you
lord, see one para I am reading out, my lord.
I have read that judgment. Don't read.
One para, my lord, in that.
You show me the impure, I read it.
You lost it. Kindly see the impugnator, my lord. There is no grounds, my lord, for filing of the case. Only, my lord.
Let us see the impugnator.
My lord, that is impugnator under Annex of 3.
Yes.
My lord, kindly see page 60. By citing a judgment, my lord, there is no downgrade of, my lord, he is needy of money and
the idea is, see, I'll tell you, the 1 crore 21 lakhs.
My lord.
Idea is, once you admit that the check is issued by you, the presumption under 139 operates against you. It's a rebuttable presumption. Since the presumption operates against you, only you have to pay 20%. And that you have to show if financial difficulty and all these grounds can be taken. And now you show, 1 minute, now you show me your reply to your notice under 138.
My lord, you will also kindly see page 10, my lord, paragraph 5 and 6 of my reply.
Yes.
I have specifically stated that how the check, my lord, I have admitted that I have issued the check, but
Then?
I stated that check is not, my lord, it is fraudulently, my lord, taken. Because there is a business transaction, it is fraudulently taken. That's why, my lord,
No, you have admitted the signature.
I have admitted the signature.
How it has gone to his hand?
That is fraudulently, my lord. They have taken.
How you?
That is paragraph 5 and 6, your lordship. I have stated, my lord, page 10.
Let us see.
That the accused further submitting his another check number so Guntur so has also been misutilized by said Brundapur Pradhan. Brundapur Pradhan is not compliant here, but Brundapur Pradhan, my lord, taken the check and given to two different persons, my lord. One is, my lord, pending at Paralakunda, another is pending at Guntur. That is, my lord, reflected in paragraph 5 and 6.
Yes. These are your differences, sir.
My lord, and you lordship kindly see the order, my lord. The order, my lord, there is no reflection, my lord, to whether that is
Then the standard order, what I do is generally I reduce it to 10%. 20% to 10%.
No, my lord, your lordship at least remand, my lord, the matter for fresh disposal, my lord, because your lordship kindly
see. I'll tell you, the case is pending since 2020. 6 months it should have been over.
21, my lord.
No, I see. So 1 CC case number 7 of 2020.
My lord. My lord.
See, we are in 25.
My lord.
The statute says 143(2) says that within 6 months it has to be over.
My lord,
and again I'll remand for interim compensation. That is right, no end.
But that is right, my lord. But I have no fault, my lord. But since the magistrate is, my lord, you should take, my lord, prompt step to dispose of the matter within 6 months.
Because you admitted the issuance.
My lord, supposing I am admitted, but the check is, my lord, passed from me, my lord, fraudulently, my lord.
Today only what I can do is 10%. Beyond that I will not do. If you want to try some other day, I will adjourn it. Today only 10.
My lord, in view of the Supreme Court decision, my lord, your lord.
Today, because of the paucity of time, I am saying only 10%.
My lord, that is, my lord.
Then I'll adjourn it.
If your lordships go.
Okay, I'll adjourn it. I'll hear you.
The Supreme Court decision,
I'll hear you. I'll hear you. Week for a video. I'll hear you. But that judgment will not help you.
My lord, it is squarely applicable to my case, my lord.
Not squarely. I have every day everybody is citing
that. No, my lord, every day everybody, but fact and circumstances.
Maybe you are correct. Maybe you are correct.
My lord, I will unnecessarily pay, my lord. The act is there. If I will pay, then there is the refund. But why I will pay, my lord? If my lord subsequently find I have.
Will you try for a reconciliation?
Reconciliation from there or here, my lord?
Wherever you want.
My lord, I am ready.
I'll just issue notice. Let us.
My lord.
Issue notice. After 2 weeks, I'll issue notice. Let them come. If possible, you can settle it.
Yes.
Okay.
Accepted the apology given.
Today I can't take it up.
The matter saying that the case is disposed of within 1 month or 2 months.
Your charge sheet was submitted on 28th January 25. Now the trial is completed.
You want a direction to the court below for disposal?
Yes.
Then I have to see how many witnesses and so many things.
Yes.
Let it be after 1 week, sir.
Yes.
Not why to do hurriedly? Let it be next week.
Direction that you close the case within such a period.
Close the case, trial court.
Yes.
Giving direction to the trial court, sometime it is.
No, you kindly see, the date also may kindly be seen. There the PP had submitted procedure memo. I have underlined.
Let me just go.
It is before some charge sheet.
Yes,
This present charge sheet.
Yes. Additional charge.
Yes, I'll not hurriedly do it. I'll put it next week.
Next week, yes.
My lord, item 17, adjournment application.
No adjournment. 138, no question of adjournment. I'm just giving intervention because only to explore a possibility. Yes. Age it is 5 years.
My lord.
How
I am ready to cooperate, my lord.
We'll see. File the process.
If you lordship also question this order and direct the London court below to complete within 6 months, 3 months, I am ready.
We'll see that.
Without any adjournment.
We'll see that. That's a better idea. We'll see. Yes.
18.
18, my lord, both parties are compromised in the party.
What are the offences?
448, 427, 506, 34, and PSC of the year.
Yes. Parties are there. What are the allegation?
Yes, due to previous enmity, the slang used in slang language in public place and entry into the house. That is the allegation. So that is the allegation that is due to previous enmity is the previous slang language before the public place. And entry into the house. Page 10.
Read it out.
Also page 10.
Whether it is very serious, then we can think of.
Nayak was a thing in show. Site ରେ ଥିବା 5 ଡିସିମିଲ୍ ଜାଗାରେ ଘର କରି ରହିଥିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଗତ ତା 22/9/2020 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ଆମେ କେହି ନଥିବା ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ଆମର ଚାଳ ଘରଟି ବାଘବର ଗ୍ରାମର ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମଣ ଦେହୁରୀ ପିତା ରବି ଦେହୁରୀ ଓ ରାଜନ ବେହେରା ପିତା ଶିବ ବେହେରା ରାତ୍ରି କାଳରେ ଆମର ଜାଗା କହି ରାତାରାତି କେହି ନଥିବା ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ଘର ଦ୍ୱାର ଭାଙ୍ଗି କାଠ ଖୁଣ୍ଟ ଫୋପାଡ଼ି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଗରୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମଣ ଦେହୁରୀ ରାଜନ ବେହେରା ମୋ ଜାଗା କହି
Okay, I understand. What is the stage? Charge sheet has been filed?
Submitted, cognizance has been taken, my lord.
So, who is Lakshman Deuri? Rajan Behra? Rajan Behra? And Tilotama? Just ask her.
She doesn't want to pursue the case. She wants to withdraw.
Has he got some compensation or anything? ଘର ଭାଙ୍ଗିଲେ ପଇସା ପତ୍ର କଣ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଛି ବାବୁ ଗରିବ ଲୋକ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଜିନିଷ petitioners are so after investigation, charge sheet has been filed in the case. Where is the charge sheet? Copy of charge sheet.
Cognizance is under.
Where is the charge sheet? I don't know what are the offences. Maybe 302. How do I know?
In fact, the certified
Good FIR would copy log pass for this.
charge sheet was not visible and the office may be.
Am I not entitled to know after investigation what are the offences came out?
I have.
What are the offences?
Deep factor last.
What are the offences? I don't understand.
Offense under section
448, 427, 506.
After investigation, what are the offences? Cognizance order. Where is the cognizance?
Annexure 2. Annexure 2 is the cognizance order. Running page 15.
31/12/2020. The court below, the court of the sessions judge from special judge by order dated 7/1/2021 has taken cognizance of offences punishable under section 448, 427, 506/34 IPC read with section 3(2) VA SC and ST (PO Act) against the petition. Before the trial could commence, the parties have entered into settlement. Settlement on the basis of settlement term, the petitioners are seeking causing of the petitioners and opposing party are present in the court, being represented by the respective counsel, identified by them, and they filed the self-attested copy of the Aadhaar card to establish their identity, which are taken on record. The opposite party, the joint affidavit. The opposite party number 2 has filed an affidavit dated 27 January 2025. Just ask whether the affidavit which has been filed by her was read over to her. She understood what is written. Problem people are.
And she has received only 50,000.
Huh?
She has only received 50,000 from.
What kind of affidavit you are filing? He is an illiterate guy,
Yes.
and you have written in English. Have you read? Have you written in the affidavit that it was read over to the petitioner and she understood? This much minimum thing you should do.
In the.
Which will लिख देगी राहत sign कर दीजिए. You will not write. This is creating problem. These are minimum in drafting. These are minimum things. He signs the completely illiterate person. You have written so much, so many things. Kahin koti Odia nahi. What is that? Where is?
Certificate not.
It's nahi.
Code is
That is,
yeah.
filed affidavit in India stating as under para 4. The opposite party number 2 who is present in the court on query from the court submits that she has settled the dispute with the petitioner, those who are the co-villagers, and she doesn't want to proceed against them anymore. This Mr. Mahanti and sorry, IPS for the state and submits that the dispute is a party, and since they have settled the dispute and the opposite party number 2 has filed an affidavit before this court, there is no legal impediment in questioning the FIR. So regarding had to be fact that the party belong to the same village and to maintain peace and tranquility in the area, they have entered into settlement contract. And the fact that the dispute in the interstate party, I'm inclined to allow this to be. Moreover, the opposite party number 2, the complainant, has filed an affidavit and makes a statement before the court that she is going to prosecute the petitioner. In that scenario, the case of the present petitioner is directly covered by the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in Yansing, so. Hence, subjecting the petitioner to the rigors of the trial is definitely be a futile exercise. That view of the matter, the petitioner put some rigors for it. Accordingly, the same is cost. How much will pay here?
Well, direct.
20,000, 10,000 each. Each petitioner to subject to each of the petitioners paying 10,000 each as a cost to the opposite party. FIR number so and consequent and proceeding arising from a cost. Next. Yes.
Before the trial court, no?
Then you pay here and file the receipt here. Yes. Then only it will be uploaded. Next.
19.
Why should she will run after?
So that the matter should be kept.
Yes, yes, sir.
Fix another date so that
you pay the money, give the receipt, it will be uploaded. I'm not here. This is the yes.
Input order is annexure 4 dated 13/1/2025. For my application under section 311, for issuance of summon to the official witnesses, I will partly allow. Out of 9 witnesses, the trial court has allowed 1 witness.
Who are the 9 witnesses?
The all bank.
What is the offense?
138 NII. Here
138 NII, you want to examine the entire branch manager. How many branch managers you?
There are three branches. 3 branches and postal bureau difficulty.
What is the check amount?
Note 18,50,000. Sorry, 18 lakhs. 2 checks, one is 8 and another is 10, 18 lakhs. But here you have Lordship kindly see page 50.
Page
50 of my
yes.
Running page 50.
Yes.
Internal page 8.
Hmm.
That your Lordship middle paragraph. The version of PW1 and defense are total divergent. Mala got it. PW1 stated that he was willing to purchase the land for which he had paid 19,50,000 to the accused person, whereas the accused claimed that he was willing to purchase the said land for which they had given 3,50,000 and also 2 checks as security. This is the entire case. So I wanted to, because since there is no demand notice, I wanted the postal officer maybe examine. That has been also rejected. There my lord knows instead of my lord, demand notice, how 132 will be maintainable.
That's right. What does he say in the complaint? Whether it was heard or no?
No, trial court has said since incorrect address notice was issued, so there is no requirement of examining the postal.
Because there is a judgment that happened.
Well, one,
what is that?
the presumption is there. Yes, presumption, right. Do admit there is a presumption.
Yes.
Once correct address notice has been issued, presumption is
Presumption coupled with the statement of
Yes.
the complainant.
Yes.
Then
Since the complainant has only said notice was issued, on which date I received the notice and who received the notice, whether it is correct that this was issued or not.
then in the final argument, why are you bringing someone to cover it up? If these are glaring, you will get benefit.
Because Lord, only one witness has been.
Why you want to cover it up now by bringing someone clarifying it?
Yes, Lord, if no notice has been sought.
I'll issue notice. Let us see, because I'll issue notice for that.
I'll also explore that.
Yes, issue notice. Yes.
No, I also notice maybe.
Both. I as well as. Yes. Yes.
Item 40.
40. 1 minute. 40.
Higher offense.
Higher offense. Same. 25 is higher offense. 307.
No.
How?
370.
Huh?
370.
Oh, you are an anticipatory way.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Put it tomorrow. Yeah, please.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
Item 40.
Yes. 40.
So 17.
Give the dates immediately. Yes.
17/8/2023 bail was NBW was issued on 28/3/2024.
And bail.
Bail 17/8/2023.
2023. Okay. 500 each. Yes.
Then petitioner was bail on 19/1/2013 and NBW was issued on 26/4/2023.
500.
42.
NBW was issued on 25/10/2024. 2057 petition. 205 petition was allowed on 6/4/2022 and NBW was issued on 25/10/2023.
Okay. 500. Yes.
43.
I'm rising at 3 o'clock. Monday, Tuesday next week I'll adjust it. I'll just check it at 3 o'clock. I'll have to. I'll take it up, please give. Item. I'll take it up. Let me complete bail jump at least. Yes.
43.
43 my lord, NBW was issued on 2/4/24. 205 was allowed on 6/4/22.
Yes. 500. Yes.
44.
Bail was on 15/3/2015 and NBW was issued on 24/1/2020.
2025. 500. Yes.
45.
Bail was allowed on 13/2/2023. NBW issued on 7/11/2023.
Yes.
Compromise matter, both parties are present.
23.
20.
Oh. 23. Within 5 minutes, I can't take it.
Item 38, my lord, vigilance matter.
Extremely pressing urgent matter tomorrow.
Both the parties.
Or the other matter adjust it next week.
My lord, I have item 38. He was in custody, my lord. Vigilance case, 4 years conviction, 65 years old.
Acha, vigilance 30.
Yes.
38. 38. No. 38. Appeal admitted. Being granted.
I have appeared through virtual.
Yes. Being granted and realized.
Item number 27, Miller. This is a Belgian matter, Miller. Item number 27, Miller.
27 Belgian.
Belgian matter, Miller.
Then it's
27.
38, my name
Yes,
may
ma'am.
kindly be respected, my lord. 38.
38 is also press matter. Press appeal. Who is that 38? 38. 38 the hill, huh? Why it?
Item number 27.
Your name will be there, don't worry. Yes. 27 Belgium. Tell me when.
11/11/24 से NBW
What are you doing, sir?
7th February 2024 is the bail and 11/11/2024 is the
NBW issued, Miller.
Okay, 500.
Yes. 23 parties are present. Compromise matter.
What are the offences?
307.
Huh?
307.
307. I have to see in the and all.
62, my lord. Item 62. Extension. I filed an IF for extension of time.
Extension of time.
My lord.
For the reasons stated in the application, extension for time for surrendering before the court is extended up till the 30th of.
Can I get a certificate copy in course of the day, my lord? Ramadan month is going on. Muslim.
Why have you come at so late? Wait. I can't leave other work. I have to attend some other work also. Maybe more important than this.
Upload 30. 311 petition was rejected only on the ground that since no specific petition has been given.
I'll hear.
No. File a fresh petition.
Which one?
30 item 3.
No, I'll have to. Hurriedly, I can't pass these orders. They will be very dangerous.
If you not have the answer, there no specific petition has been given. Only simple petition.
But still, I'll just see and or he'll adjust it. Wait, he'll adjust it. Don't be hurry so that things may go wrong. Again, you
Item 8.
do it adjust with the least in such a manner so that matter can be taken up. Not the unnecessary matters are being listed is not taken up. There is no point.
Fix the date. That's why
That would be great.
Item 84 will not be adjourned today only for filing of the summary note sums. I am filing the written note sums. That husband expired and 107, 109. Had both of them.
The other side?
Mr. Das, my lord. Also had.
I don't remember.
I beg your lordship's pardon, my lord.
Give a copy to them. Yes. Yes, sir.
Item number 88, if not possible tomorrow, Monday or Tuesday, please employees compensation execution proceeding is going.
To carry the
My lord.
Okay.
My lord, I beg your lordship's pardon, my lord.